Alright guys, in this video I will speak about something quite important if you're an eBay dropshipper or you're just about to start doing it. eBay subscription stores. Generally speaking, eBay subscription stores are like mobile plans. The higher the price you pay, the bigger the discount and benefits you get. The important thing here is that you are not obliged to pay for a store. You can always remain with a free plan as long as you like to. But subscribing to a store is my personal recommendation, especially if you want to become a real deal dropshipper. What plan should you choose? What are the differences between plans? When should you upgrade your plan? Answers to all those questions you'll find in this video. And if you haven't tried out Trackerbot, the best dropshipping software for automating your eBay store, now is the time. 14 days free and a 50% off for the next 30 days only if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's break down what eBay store subscription actually is. Once you open a seller account on eBay, the price is free. And that's the coolest thing about eBay, and that's one of the reasons it's the best and easiest place to start dropshipping. Seller accounts which don't have a store subscription plan have tight limits and high final value fees. Only 200 listings per month are for free, and each additional listing on top of this costs 35 cents. Sounds expensive, right? That's one of the ways eBay makes money, through taxes and fees, but also through store subscriptions, which, you guessed it, offers much higher free listings and even lower prices for additional listings. But I will get to the details in a minute. A free eBay seller account can work perfectly fine, but will grow way slower and would be actually way more expensive to scale it up. That's why eBay has invented the store subscription plans. They smart, those dudes, ain't they? So now let's take a look at the pricing of the 5 different store subscription plans currently available. And be aware that those prices and conditions change quite often, so you have to keep an eye on them on a regular basis. The 5 plans are Starter, Basic, Premium, Anchor and Enterprise. There is the option to pay on a monthly and on an yearly basis, and of course, if you prepay for the whole year, you get a significant discount. But I don't recommend this, because if something gets wrong, for example your account gets banned for whatever reason, you can take your money back. So my advice, if you sign up for an eBay store, pay month for month. And the prices for monthly renewal are the following. Starter plan $7.95, Basic $27.95, Premium $74.95, Anchor $349.95, and only for the Enterprise plan the monthly renewal is not an option. You can pay only for the whole year and the price is almost $3,000. This is for the big players only. Now you know what the store subscription plans are and what are the prices of each. But what do you get for this money? With the starter plan, you receive 250 free listings per month, and each additional listing on top costs a bit less than the free plan, 30 cents. With the basic plan, you get 1000 free listings a month and each additional is 25 cents. The premium plan, 10,000 free listings and the price and each additional listing on top is just 10 cents. And for both the Anchor and Enterprise, the price for an additional listings is just 5 cents, whereas the free listings are 25,000 and 100,000 respectively. Except for the free listings and the price for additional ones, the store subscription plans offer lower final value fees. The final value fees are one of the other ways eBay makes money, and they are calculated in a few different ways depending on the category of the item, the price of the item and the store subscription plan you have. There are many different percentages regarding different categories, but let me take one category as an example. With a starter store subscription in the category Music Vinyl Records, the final value fee is 10.2%, With a basic and a premium plan, the final value fee is 9.35%. It does not sound like a great difference, but if you do a proper calculation, it's affecting your profits big time. Okay, so the three main benefits of subscribing to an eBay store are as explained already. First, you get more free listings. Second, the price of an additional listings after you've exceeded the free listings limit is lower. 3. The final value fee is less. Enough about the numbers. eBay store subscription plans offer other benefits as well. Few of them are not so crucial about dropshippers, like branding and customizing your store page or using categories for your store. Those are nice options, but nothing of great importance. Using promoted listings is the greatest advantage when subscribed to a store. You have noticed perhaps that when you search for an item on eBay, there are always 5 or 6 listings that are sponsored or promoted. That's only possible when you pay for some of the store subscription plans. And those items are always on top, almost surely making them better selling than the rest. Additionally, except for the starter plan, all other subscription store plans offer free subscription to Therapeutic Sourcing Insights too. I have made a special video, actually a few videos, about finding new hot items, and eBay did care to make money out of researching new items as well with their tool, Therapeutic. It's a great tool, but you have to pay separately for it. With the store subscription higher than the starter one, you get it for free. And now, caution. I highly recommend subscribing for an eBay store. What plan should you choose after reviewing the most important things? I think starting out with the basic plan is best. You get promoted listings, the final value fees are lower, you get free subscription to Therapeutic. The starter plan, on the other hand, offers very few benefits, does not offer Therapeutic, and the final value fee is the same as with the free plan. If you are really tight on cash, remain with the free plan, of course, but only until the moment when you have enough to pay for a basic plan. Nearly 28 bucks a month can help you boost your sales a lot. And if you are satisfied with the results, your store grows fast, you can always upgrade your store to a higher plan. My advice: if you choose to sign up for an eBay store, do it on a monthly basis. Your account might get closed, and then the prepaid money for the year is non-refundable. And if you want to secure your account against closure, the best possible way: sign up for Trackerbot. It converts Amazon trackings to Blue Care Express trackings, has the greatest feature, auto messaging, and minimizes your chances of problems which can hurt your reputation with eBay and your metrics on eBay. Trackerbot saves you hours of time every week and also alarms you when something's not on track, so that you can take proper action in advance. With Trackerbot, your eBay store is safe. So, yes, subscribe to a store. But be careful, it's not just a matter of how many free listings you have. It should be a precise calculation of insertion fees, final value cost, and your store capacity. For newbies, try out the basic plan together with Trackerbot. This combo will make a huge difference. Less time and work, much bigger profits. Top offer. For more advanced sellers, premium and Arca store plans are perfect options. Needless to say that for bigger stores, Trackerbot is invaluable. Unlike eBay store subscription plans, we at Trackerbot offer 14 days free trial with a 50% discount for the first month in exchange for a free subscription to my YouTube channel. Hit the like and subscribe buttons, comment and ask questions. Many more videos with eBay dropshipping know-how are on the way.